Looking at my Freud SD508 Dado blade, I'll test this with a cross-grain dado in hardwood. I'll use white oak today. That seems to be the biggest challenge. You know, I've used this set with plywood, and you can go with and against the grain in plywood, cabinet grade. It doesn't seem to make any difference. It always cuts perfectly clean. As long as you mind your feed rate, there's no exit chip out. But the true test is when you're doing dado cuts in hardwood. We'll see what the cut quality is and what the exit blowout looks like, if any. I'm just going to install a simple 3/4 inch stack, but the kit does come with a 3/32 chipper as well as a 1/16 inch chipper for doing undersized plywood dados. 24 tooth outer blades, carbide teeth. Of course, you'll stagger the teeth as you install each blade so they don't sit side by side. On most table saws, you'll have to skip the arbor washer. You want to make sure that you have at least some threads sticking out the other side of that arbor nut. We'll snug that up and give it a test. So the cut quality on the surface looks really good. Anything that you would see in an assembled furniture joint or cabinet joint looks perfect. There's no exit blowout of any kind, and that's really the true test to me for a high-grade premium dado blade set, and this one passes with flying colors. The bottom of the cut is nice and smooth, as you would expect. That would make a nice looking joint. There are plastic spacers that go between the blades, so hopefully that'll help prevent any damage to the teeth. So if you're ready for a truly premium dado blade set, this SD508 has proved its worth in my shop. I've been impressed with how it does with cross-grain dados in hardwood, a particularly demanding task for building furniture, and this SD508 certainly shines there.